Hey there, sunshine. I am so incredibly excited for today's video. I have lost 50 pounds on the ketogenic diet, and I can't wait to share with you guys the mistakes that I've made and what I have learned from those mistakes. I was in a stall, honestly, for like 7 to 8 months before entering the Warrior Lifestyle program. So basically for the last week, I have been in the Warrior Lifestyle program, and I am so excited about this program. There are 4 main features of this program that they feature on, and there are other weight loss programs out there, but I have never found another weight loss program and fitness program that focuses on the 4 things that I believe so strongly in. So the first module that you will focus on when you're entering into this Warrior Lifestyle program is mental health and getting yourself in the right mindset. You know, at the beginning of the video, and I was like, hey, self-hate isn't cool. If you're like trying to lose weight to cure self-hate and a negative body image, that's not really gonna work. They focus on doing that and other beneficial mental health aspects and promoting a positive mental attitude for the lifestyle that you're getting ready to enter. So if you're like struggling to get on that boat, oh my goodness, there were so many. I was like listening, I was like, the entire time I was so excited and I agreed with so many of the things they were saying. It was really, really uplifting. So if you're having a hard time finding a way to uplift yourself to create a healthier lifestyle, try the 7-day free trial. The second module in the Warrior Lifestyle program is a nutrition and health module. So basically what they do is they tell you how to read nutrition labels. And I think that's so amazing because there are so many of us who don't understand, okay, well, what does it mean when it says saturated fat? What does it mean when it says polyunsaturated fat? What does this mean? What does this mean? They go through and they explain that to you. So it's not like, I know I keep saying this is a weight loss program, but it's more than just that. It's about creating a healthier lifestyle, and you're provided with so many tools that'll take you further down the road so that you can, if you decide to end the program or if you decide that you don't want to move past the trial, there's so much information that you have access to that you can carry on throughout the rest of your life. The third module I am so excited about because I'm a huge foodie. I love looking at recipes. I love looking at food and stuff like that. And the meal plan portion, which is the third module, goes over snacks and breakfasts and lunches and dinners that you can eat and the caloric intake that they are. I follow intermittent fasting along with a ketogenic diet, and I have a crap ton of allergies. And so I was very worried about what kind of meal plans that they were going to customize to me based on the options that they had selected. But what I really, really loved is that they had vegan, vegetarian, and carnivore meal plan options. I am not vegan or vegetarian, although I will eat the meals, but I really loved there was a huge selection of stuff. And I really loved how they didn't just base their meal plans about, okay, well, let's try and like cut back on the calories, but it really created healthy meals that were absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh, I had a shrimp Caesar salad wrap. Oh my God, that was like my favorite thing. I'm actually gonna have it again for lunch today. But following the Warrior Lifestyle program, I actually lost 4 pounds in 2 days. And they have monthly challenges that they have, like, okay, well, this month, for example, the challenge is that you're supposed to drink a gallon of water every day. And I actually like went out and bought a gallon size water jug. This was like $10. I got this at Gabe's to ensure that I was following along with that. And then I did that. And I have been in a stall for a very long time. So mixed with the exercise portion and the monthly challenge and a little bit of what I learned from the nutrition, I was really able to rein in my lifestyle and my eating habits, and boom, I'm back to losing weight. So I'm so excited about this. But the meal plan portion I really enjoyed because they had a crap ton. I mean, they had so many snack options. They had a really amazing variety of meal plan options. And I loved all the snacks, and everything on the meal plan list has a caloric intake. So when you eat this and you cook it and you do prepare it the same exact way we have listed, here's how many calories it is. So it really, really took the guessing game out for me. So I don't have to go and do like, oh my gosh, well, how many calories have I done for the day? It made counting calories so easy. And the fourth module is exercise, which I love because I have no exercise experience. I literally know nothing about exercise. I'm not I took some gym in high school, but I don't know anything about exercise. I know what exercise is supposed to do for my body, but I don't know how to get started. And what I appreciated the most about Warrior Lifestyle program is they made this easy. They didn't just throw me in. I'm a big girl. I have a fat body. I have a strong body, but my main goal out of the exercise program was to learn how to strengthen my body. And they didn't throw me in and made me feel discouraged. Like, that wasn't a thing at all, especially with other exercise programs that I've had where they're just like, okay, we're assuming that you know a lot about exercise and that you aren't overweight, so we're just going to throw you in and start off with these really strenuous exercises. Nope, that's not what happened with Warrior Lifestyle. They started off really gentle. They started off very, like, I felt great after exercise. They valued it, like, they valued stretching and just moving your body and building strength rather than going, okay, let's get this cardio up so we lose a lot of weight. Like, I'm just so in love with this program. And again, if you guys are interested in joining the challenge with me, I have a 7-day free trial link down below, and I have before and after pictures to show you guys. So when I start and end this, I will be posting that on my Instagram. Before we even get into the fun, juicy details about why you are not losing weight on keto, let's take a quick minute and check in on our mental health. I want to share with you guys so much that you guys should love yourselves. And at the end of the day, self-love is the core of a fitness and weight loss journey. Losing weight out of self-hatred will not cure negative body image or self-hatred. Let's say it louder for the people in the back. Losing weight does not cure self-hatred or negative body image. You should lose weight to feel physically better about yourself. You should lose weight if you're interested in reducing or preventing your chances of developing obesity, type 2 diabetes, some types of cancers, and other diseases that are associated with being overweight and or obese. You should not lose weight to look like your favorite Instagram influencer. Because why? Because you never will. Because a lot of those bodies are photoshopped. Because you by yourself are so freaking beautiful and valuable to this planet, and your life's purpose should not be to look like somebody that you find attractive. You, my love, are beautiful. Your soul is amazing. Your body, 10 out of 10. You do not need to lose weight to look like somebody that you find beautiful. You need to find that beauty within yourself, and losing weight will not cure that for you. Losing weight is a great thing to do if you're like, oh my God, I'm tired of huffing and puffing when I run up the stairs. Losing weight is great if you're like, oh, I'm just sore and stiff every day. Losing weight is great if you were just like, I want to lose weight because I want to do this for me, because I want to lead a healthier lifestyle. And in that, a healthier lifestyle does not necessarily mean weight loss. A healthier lifestyle can include being more fit, eating healthier meals, drinking more water. That doesn't mean that you'll necessarily lose weight from that, but leading a healthier lifestyle and cutting out junk foods and cutting out sugar and processed sugars and foods and junk food and all that nasty stuff, that's creating a healthier lifestyle. But it isn't just about weight loss. It also is about becoming stronger, having more energy, having more endurance. So don't just focus on weight loss as you're going throughout your journey. Keep in mind that there are so many other benefits to creating a healthier lifestyle for yourself. With all of that said, I am here to radiate positive energy and self-love to all of you who are struggling with your self-image right now. And I will love you until you love yourself. But before we get into the rest of the video, I just want to say for a quick moment, if you are interested in entering into a 30-day fitness and weight loss challenge with me, I have a link to a 7-day free trial down below for the Warrior Lifestyle program. I have been loving this program. I'm just so excited to tell you guys everything that I've learned. So with all of that said, let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk about why you're not losing weight on keto. If you are here, chances are you already know what keto is, but if you don't, let's just do a quick little overview. So the ketogenic diet, aka keto, is a lifestyle. I don't like using the word diet because it infers that like, oh, I'm only doing this for a little bit. But for me, this is a lifestyle. But for just referring to what everybody knows, let's go with the word diet. I won't keep going off. The ketogenic diet is a diet that consists of 70% fat, 25% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. High fat, moderate protein, low carb. Basically, the whole point of entering into the ketogenic diet is to get your metabolism to switch from using glucose to energy to using ketones and fat for energy. You want to become fat adapted. But after you have been on keto for a while, a lot of people stop losing weight. Or maybe you just got on keto and you lost a couple of pounds, but you've stopped. Why? That is a question that so many people ask, and I've had so many people come to me and be like, oh, I haven't lost weight on keto. Let's take a look at the 5 most common reasons you aren't losing weight on keto. The first reason why you're not losing weight on keto is because you're eating too many calories. Now, a lot of people don't realize this, but fat is really high in calories. And if you aren't careful with your portion sizes, your caloric intake for the day can quickly be blown out of the water, and you're probably consuming a lot more calories than you're realizing. Like I just said, fat is high in calories, and a meal that you're making that's keto approved probably has a lot more calories than you're realizing it, especially if you aren't closely watching your portion sizes, which is why I love using like caloric intake trackers to measure out my calories for the day to ensure that I'm not eating more than I'm supposed to be eating. Sure, when you're first getting started on keto, it's a great thing to just make yourself feel satiated, especially if you've never followed a low carb lifestyle before and you're just going from high carb to keto in a switch like that. Your main goal should be to make yourself feel satiated. You shouldn't feel hungry. You shouldn't feel the need to snack. So eating a higher caloric intake for the first couple of days until your body switches into like going, oh my goodness, we're switching from using glucose to using ketones for energy. It's okay to eat a higher caloric intake, but once you start entering the weight loss portion of keto and you're done getting off of the carbohydrate roller coaster, you should really be careful to make sure that you're not eating too many calories. Another common reason why you're probably not losing weight on keto is hidden carbohydrates. These things are sneaky. So example, one of the most common examples of hidden carbohydrates is heavy cream. You go to Starbucks, you order a keto approved coffee or tea or whatever, right? Well, while 2 tablespoons, which is 1 serving of heavy cream, has less than 1 gram of carbohydrates, if you're using a half a cup of heavy cream, you've got a lot of hidden carbs in there. There are some other foods, like some vegetables, that you may not be aware of the carbohydrate content in a serving. And if you're eating more than 1 serving of a food, carbohydrates add up. So if you aren't careful by watching your portion sizes, hidden carbs can easily sneak in. The third reason why you're probably not losing weight on keto is because you're not monitoring your macro and your micronutrients. Macronutrients are your fat, protein, and carbohydrates, which are the 70%, the 25%, and the 5%. If you're eating too many carbohydrates, boom, you can kick yourself out of ketosis. If you're eating too many calories and fat, boom, you're not losing weight because your body has too many calories to process for it to start working on the fat that's on your body to eat for energy for you to lose weight. But micronutrients are the vitamins and minerals that your body needs to survive. By not monitoring your micronutrients closely, you can actually develop vitamin deficiencies. This is actually very easy to do on keto since you are eating a lot of the fruits and vegetables that you probably previously were on your diet. If you don't introduce a multivitamin supplement or consist your diet of foods that have a higher vitamin content, it's really, really, really easy for you to not consume enough micronutrients on the ketogenic diet. When your body starts lacking or have insufficient storages of these micronutrients, and there's a whole list of them, I only just named a couple of them, you can actually start to develop cravings. So if you're going, oh my gosh, why today am I craving chips? It may not just be a stress factor. You may not just be going, well, I'm craving chips because I'm stressed out. It actually could be a insufficient storage of a certain micronutrient in your body, which is why it's so important for you to keep track of your micronutrients. When you keep track of your micronutrients, you'll ensure that your body is getting everything that it needs to support the healthy functions in your body. That way, you'll help to greatly cut back on the cravings that you're experiencing, and you won't be tempted to fall off the bandwagon. The fourth reason why you're not losing weight on the ketogenic diet is because you're so stressed about weight loss. And this is so crazy because you're sitting there and you're going, oh my gosh, I have to lose weight, I have to lose weight, I have to lose weight. And that's all you're focusing on besides the numerous other health benefits that come with keto. But when you're only focusing and you're actually stressing out about the weight loss that you're not experiencing when you're on keto, your body's natural response to stress levels is producing a hormone called cortisol, and cortisol stops weight loss. It's like, nah sis, we ain't losing any weight because we're panicking, we're stressed out, we're thinking something bad is about to happen, so it stops your weight loss. The easiest way to get through this, reduce your stress levels. Stop only focusing on the weight loss aspects of keto. That was a trap that I fell into for a very long time and I stalled. I was like, I have to lose weight like this. Why am I not losing weight? This. Only was focusing on the weight loss aspect of it. I stopped doing that and I actually got down. I'm actually at the lowest weight that I've been in 3 years. And it's so incredible. Thanks to these tips that I've learned and was able to get over and my combination with the Warrior Lifestyle Program. And I'm so happy and I'm so excited to have the chance to share all of this information with you guys. And the last reason why you're not losing weight on the ketogenic diet is because you're not exercising. I have seen so many people say, oh, well, I was able to lose 100 pounds, not exercising on the ketogenic diet. And that's absolutely great. But not every person has the same body. So if you're struggling with weight loss or you want to speed up your weight loss, start exercising. Not only will this help you to burn through the excess calories that you're potentially eating because, fat has has a higher caloric content than other types of foods such as protein and carbohydrates. But if you're looking to get into ketosis faster, you can actually speed up how fast your body is getting into ketosis by burning through your glucose stores. Glucose stores are found in your body, and basically what they are is glucose is sugar. So whenever you eat sugar or carbohydrates, your body converts it into glucose and saves it in your fat to later use as an energy source. But when you exercise and you burn through your storage of glucose, your body then will be able to start using ketones and fat to use for energy instead of burning through the leftover glucose source that you have hidden away. So exercise is great. Plus it'll help you to fight against any cortisol storages or levels that you have because you are stressing out. So it's really like a huge benefit all in one. You'll burn through excess calories, you'll burn through your glucose stores, and you'll help to fight against the production of cortisol. But that is everything for you guys today. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Would you like me to post a whole video of my, like, what I do in a day on Warrior Lifestyle Program? Would you like to learn more? I have more information on the Warrior Lifestyle Program down below, but I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.